Hi, I'm your host Jeremy. This is Lingo Yes. In this lesson, we're going to learn 凑热闹,凑热闹 word by word. 凑 gathered together. 凑 gathered together. 热闹 joy, jollification. 热闹 joy, jollification. 凑热闹 literally it means gather together for joy. And yes, well actually this phrase, this idiom has two meanings. The first meaning is people gather together for creating more trouble. So we are saying 他们又来凑热闹 I mean they're coming here, they're joining this group for nothing, not even for fun. They're just wanting more troubles, more chaos. So it has a very bad connotation. Let me give you some examples. 今天他家举办单身舞会，我们一起去凑热闹吧。今天他家举办单身舞会，我们一起去凑热闹吧。Today he's going to hold a bachelor party in his house. Let's join for fun. So right here, 凑热闹 is simply just mean joy, fun. Let me give you another example. See another definition of 凑热闹。他那里已经够忙的了。我们就别去凑热闹了。他那里已经够忙的了，我们就别去凑热闹了。It means like he has been busy already, pretty occupied. So why don't we leave him some space, his privacy? Don't add in troubles, don't trouble him anymore. So in this example right here, 别去凑热闹了 means like,Yeah, let's give him some space, give him some time, don't add any more trouble for him. Let's do the wrap up. So there are two meanings of 凑热闹. The first one is literal meaning. It means like, okay, you want to joy, right? Gather together for joy, for fun. The second meaning means people do it on purpose, like they want to create troubles for some reasons. So 添麻烦, it's more like 添麻烦, creating troubles. I'm your host Jeremy. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube account. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.